Hola, yo me llamo Nancy.
And this is my brand new Ford Edge.
My dealer had great financing options. I didn't feel any pressure at all. I gave him the numbers, pulled them all together, and he said, here you go.
Which you won't see anywhere else except on Crown 4 News. Nuestra meta es asegurar que nuestros miembros disfruten de una salud completa de cuerpo, mente y espíritu. We've got our first official look at the Matrix, and it's amazing. Ryan is on location. Ryan?
Take care of our friends and our pets. Challenge your brain today.
About 400,000 people will be coming to the mission to enjoy the sights, the sounds of the parade, but they'll end up staying, of course, for the food. They have flavorful dishes to choose from, but one dish you can't miss is our friend Alicia Villabuena's tamales. They have quite a reputation around here, so we visit her at La Cocina where they're helping her with her dreams.
It's home improvement season. What's your vision? From complete remodel to quick update.
With Land Mobile Radio, and it's the only push-to-talk service that runs over Wi-Fi.
Team, the VIPs have arrived.
Roger that. I'll call the bellhops.
The suites are ready.
Taking reach and coverage to new levels when you need it.
Junta a las familias con comidas que todos aman. Papa Murphy's hace sus pizzas frescas enfrente de ti y listas para hornearlas en casa y disfrutarlas todos en familia. Ahora.